Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 cat theme tokens by market cap. We're going to start with Mew at number 1, followed by MOG, POPCAT, TOSHI, MANEKI, MICHI, CWIF, DUKO, and then we'll end it with Cat. I think probably we'll do another 3 more. So 10 plus 3. Let's get straight into it. Mew. Ladies and gentlemen, do you see what I'm seeing? Do you see what I'm seeing? This is what you call a very nice squeeze. This is a very nice squeeze. If you look very closely, it's a gift for you actually. This is an A up, B down, C, D. Ladies and gentlemen, we're getting a wave E. Again, no guarantees, right? This could be the completion of the E, right? Maybe we drop a little bit lower, right? Falling channel. And after that, we hit higher for Mew. And Mew is fairly liquid. 30 million in liquidity. Crazy, right? 90,000 sol pulled. What? Yeah, it's just crazy. Liquidity is just insane because it's the highest market cap cat themed coin at 376 million. And once we are done with this big consolidation, of course, no guarantees, we are expecting it to explode towards 3 cents. Right now, we're at 0.0042 cents. So this could be a potential from where we are to the target 600%. If you drop even lower, and if you get it even lower, and of course, if things go well, this could be a 900% move. This is insane. So yeah, again, no guarantees. Of course, things can always drop to 0. So it just goes to 0 for sure. But if things go well, we're expecting 3 cents, at least 3 cents for Mew. More upsides to be expected from you. So there you go. The gift number 1 of the day. Moving on will be MOG Coin. MOG. Okay, let's look at MOG Coin, the one with the highest liquidity. So for MOG Coin, we are... Okay, a very good example of where Mew is right now. You can just look at MOG Coin. Mew, right, MOG Coin was where Mew is at the moment. So this is where Mew is. So I'm anticipating a nice strong rally for Mew. But anyway, MOG Coin is also quite high in its market cap at 500 mil. But anyway, yeah, so MOG Coin is up. Again, falling channel as a continuation chart pattern. Bullish continuation. We're out. So more upside. Again, I would not be going long for MOG Coin at this point because the volume is already rising, right? You know that you're close to the top when the volume is rising, right? Yeah, so I will preach caution about MOG Coin, but I'm feeling pretty good about Mew. POPCAT, POPCAT. Looking at POPCAT, we are also extended. Again, POPCAT is where Mew was at the consolidation accumulation. You see this? We exploded towards the upside. And now we are kind of consolidating potentially for another towards the upside. Potentially, no guarantees. So at this point of time, I would preach caution. It's not the kind of trade that I would take. There was a falling channel over here. And yeah, again, for POPCAT, I would still preach caution. I still think that Mew is far better than MOG or POPCAT. TOSHI! Let's look at TOSHI. TOSHI. If you look at TOSHI, here we are. TOSHI is rising again. We took a trade for TOSHI. The boys and I, here, you see this? A, B, C, D, E. Retest. Continues higher. There was a deep retrace, and now we're back up. So, another consolidation over here before heading higher. Or could this be it, right? Higher high, and we come back down. Yes, no? Again, we're not too sure. Right, but TOSHI is a no-go at this point of time. You don't make a move when things are rising. You still have to wait for it to drop for TOSHI. So there we go. One. Let's look at WEN. One is... okay, so one is not that clear. But one actually had a head and shoulders over here, right? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. You would anticipate it to drop lower, right? But it didn't. So what happened? We rose higher. We're almost taking out the right shoulder. The moment you take out the top of the right shoulder, the bearishness is invalidated. So yeah, so we're waiting for that takeout. Once we take it out, we will anticipate another consolidation first before heading higher for one. But at this point of time, yeah, one is a no-go. Maneki! Maneki is the cat that you see in Japanese restaurants at the counter where it's always moving its hand, right? So that's Maneki. Maneki Neko. Neko means cat. So for Maneki, my expectation is that we are still in a wave B, right? This whole thing is an A, up for a B. The hope for Maneki is that we come back down for a wave C. This will be the absolute best case scenario for Maneki. So again, if Maneki were to make a move, my expectation is probably at around July for Maneki. Summer of Maneki, maybe. But at this point of time, yeah, nope. You have to be patient. Michi. I saw a lot of Twitter influencers talking about Michi. But I don't see much for Michi. Not at this point of time. Michi had a cup and handle, right? Cup and handle breakout. Right now we're in a falling channel. So potentially a continuation towards the upside for Michi. But it's not really that high quality. So I would give Michi a pass for the moment. CatWifhat. CWIF. CWIF. 5 months ago. Pool is on flux beam. Anything? Hey, so you can see this. On the way up, it wasn't really that obvious. It's just like a staircase, right? Up, 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 up. Suddenly, pew! And after that, there is a falling channel. Falling wedge, I would say. And then, palm is up. Okay, the point where nice high quality chart pattern came over here. You see this? Symmetrical triangle. Breakout. Another symmetrical triangle. Continuation. But I feel that CatWifhat is almost done. It's almost done. So if this whole thing is a wave 1, I would anticipate this to be a wave 2. Right. I'm not sure if this is a 3. No, I don't think so. This is a 3 in the making. There could be a 4 and then a 5. And then a deep retrace potentially. So yeah, for now, there's nothing much for CatWifhat, but we can learn from history, right? Trying to identify chart patterns. So we can apply this in the future when we see something that, yeah, correlates to the squeeze. DUKO. Let's look at DUKO. 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 What's DUKO? Here is DUKO. DUKO the cat. Look at it. So here we are for DUKO. Okay, so for DUKO is a bit of a misnomer. So DUKO zipped down, rose a bit higher, came back down. Still, it's a squeeze. Still, it's a symmetrical triangle. Still, it's lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Higher lows, higher lows. Pam! We're out. Breakout. Right. Over here, same freaking thing. Do you see this? There's a nice squeeze over here. Right. Lower highs, higher lows. Boom! But the thing about DUKO is I suspect we might be coming back down though to lengthen the accumulation consolidation phase before heading higher. But anyway, we have a target over here at 1.8 cents, sub 2 cents. So if things change, right? If things change, then yeah, maybe we will reevaluate our targets. But for now, this is the target for DUKO, and we're expecting DUKO to head to much more upside, right? From where we are to the price, if we just keep continuing higher, is another 351% for DUKO. That's a lot of money. So DUKO is also just at 40 million market cap. It still has potential. Okay, 300% will bring it to 100 mil plus 100 mil. So maybe after we hit 100 mil, we might take a break before continuing higher. But DUKO has a clear target, 1.8 cents. Of course, anything can go wrong, but based on what we see, more likely than not, DUKO should be heading higher. CatCoin. Let's look at CatCoin. Okay, here. 1 year ago, Cat came into the scene. But in terms of tradability, the chart pattern just isn't really that obvious, right? It's just a sell, down, drip. Suddenly, it just starts rising. Drip, rise again, right? Drip, you might expect, hey, are we gonna ride? Yeah, nope. We're about to take out these lows. So my guess is we're probably gonna get a falling channel. Falling channel to where? There's a noisy area over here. So somewhere around this area. Right. So a little bit more downside before reversing back up, potentially for CatCoin. We just don't see it yet. So again, I would approach CatCoin with caution. Pajamas. Let's look at pajamas. Pajamas. Here we are for pajamas. The first YouTube cat. Pajamas is still in a consolidation. We have a target over here. Ta-da! 8 cents for pajamas. Pajamas also had a very high quality squeeze over here. Do you see these boys and girls? Hey. Actually, we did take a trade for this though. A, B, C, D, E. Pam, we're out. Again. A rectangular consolidation. Another move towards the upside. I mean, of course, we're lining up right on top of the skinny pink line, and things can go wrong any time. So you want to be very careful and have proper exits just in case things go wrong. But if things go right, we're expecting it to go to 8 cents. So this will be another 237%. Still a lot though. Still a lot. So as long as we do not collapse any lower, we're going to break higher. And usually the width of the accumulation is equivalent to the height of the rise. But anyway, I think we're going to hit 8 cents. More likely than not. So there you go. This is our take for pajamas. Next will be BobCat. Psst, psst. Psst, psst. Psst. Okay, here we are for adopting a kitty. Naming her BobCat. Shibe Toshi. Okay, this is a BobCat. BobCat had an accumulation phase. Bam! Breakout. Falling channel. Continuation. Falling channel. Bam! Super breakout. Anything for us here? No, I don't think so. There's nothing much for BobCat. So we're gonna move on. CatGirl. Okay, let's go at CatGirl. CatGirl has been around for some time. 3 years ago. Okay, so CatGirl, which you took a trade for CatGirl. CatGirl is... Okay, CatGirl burst above the skinny pink line, right? It was in an accumulation phase, out. Retrace, still above the skinny pink line, still remain with a bullish bias, and still expect CatGirl to continue higher, right? But in terms of tradability, I mean, in terms of a chart pattern, yeah, it's just not that obvious, right? There was a nice squeeze over here. Bam! We went bananas. So here we are for CatGirl, and we're anticipating a continuation. If anything, this is a wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4, 5. Potentially, but we don't have any hard targets. The only coins that we have hard targets for is Mew and DUKO. Only these 2 coins. So, yeah, there you go. There you go. So, hope you guys have a great Tuesday. And if you have yet to check out the top 10 coins that we did yesterday, go check it out. See you in the next one. Ta-da!